nyina nso how. I ma chi ha nyina. Once I was rainy season tinu. Me come chi too much ah. E be ha dwen.
Me si wo ko sasiri nyina amiri
aha nso to afa ha nyina.
Afanka afanyi. Afanyi tu ya odi no ko chiri wo nu.
Anu ni. We dey first here.
Yo, sa o si oho no oye dia mbefa. Uko chi kakra. Oye pepepe.
Pepepe, won se me de aduane si anti.
Me pesa mbasi danu na danu o kakra obekosa kakra obekosa. Mire me pesa manu. Enyo.
Okay, ask him to drop it. Okay? Yes, definitely. And we'll get somebody to work on it as quickly as possible. Let's come. Yeah. Okay. All right. I'll see you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Madam, how are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
How may we help you?
It's been over a year since I applied for a building permit.
Okay.
And it looks like it's taken ages for me to get a permit to enable me put up a building. Anytime I'm ever a piano, ever kasa kwaha. Na makoko offices be brave. 10 bians over corner, ever kasa for baby talk. My breath. To say my breath. It's a permit. Mom, since you could see a danya. I am brand budget permit. And also, so I am also, and also, I a welcome.
Thank you so much for passing by to, express your frustrations and all that. These things do take time, and you have to go through a lot of processes to ensure that the right thing is done. You fit to preoccupy ma permit, say, obi apply for building permit. You be share a dime, a down copy, we see, say a bansro, say a form, say a bansroom, you know, an ambience. I think so as I say, so crampoa. I was say, who sit down or so no, so I was here. As I said, so a bensio home, a since you quine, and I say, a year as I see a sabi at the channel, not here, and I say, a damn potent up as who see no crown, so a yes, as I see Lucy was one. Oh, in 10 years of pity, I pen out my permit. In she say, I understand the way you feel, but I can assure you, all plans and in fact mechanisms are being put in place to ensure, say, as soon as possible, reduce the duration of applications by a table. So why? I understand your frustration. Could you only let me give you my card. Why? Take my card and give me a call somewhere next week. By Tuesday, okay?
Indian patron, Mr.
Wow.
Okay. Thank you. Nice day.
Nice day. Bye.
Oh, said man, jai.
O jai say. Ade na jai na jususu ya timi ya juma. Ana jususu ba timi ya juma. Mo ya juma no naju ba timi ye. Kosi broni kasa po ya juma naju. Osusu ba timi ya na naju. Pepedani tete mo ya tete mami. Anka.
Me pacho adena opera enra edigu gata ni hwe ne gote maye wo san yes ano wo hwe hey nya waye etimi ma malaria etimi ma chese yare ehu ensese eba no etimi ba etimi mesre wala fi ne ko be pra wo de fegu bola mu si ufie na se hu se bola ka bi si ano aye den wa hwiegum na nia wo ye say de anya kura etimi pint tontom e ma malaria sama cholera
ewra what dey do so what dey do me so when you put obia ko rem no ko to ko hwe de fo say na yonku na akokon to mbrefi hwe anyanya bia ha ya obebru ana say aha ya kitchen wan kasa ka won ni kitchen bedroom ka won ni bi obi kiyos awodam no aha ya kiyos no gate na no ho
obi e me pa chew
oba
dia wo se won di wo hu ni enye se wasiesie wo hu efre dia wo kọ no enne edi hu ni wo so be di hu ni a di hu frifie asa na wa ye da wo di akwa bonten na ne a wo ye sisi ade ntwa ye kura hwe de botemaye na wasan de bi abeka ho wo hwe ye e ma yare o kita ma sabi okita ma ebetimi affect o ma ochna at any time okrampo ebetimi aha be sie aduane ne so
ai urade gewe na nka won konta na ka bomba punu wa ha no wonu ba hu say yes nyame yodo
April, huh? Yes, sir. April, omo make penifo bi ba omo make danu.
Omo make danu. Omo drin, asebe ni ela. Asem kasi me yefunu no o mi ya.
Mema o ares.
Menya o ares o. Onim de o ya mi nka se o ares.
Ago. Who is here? These people. They are working. They are working. My friend, come. My friend, do you work here?
But I'm here for
My boss bisa wo there every adwuma wa ha.
I'm here for my.
Oh, master Wayne, your master Wayne.
But you're not master wa ma.
Na de bia bebe bia no ye ka se monka nchen so obehu a monka no ade na monka
Me ka kire no. Ka kire no.
O ka kire master and na won no. Okay, for your information, in ya be chiro da no. He should stop work. Munya na mon produce permit, building permit and some to us. Stop work and produce your building permit. Anything short of this is mediocrity and won't buy it. What in a make no? Do you understand what I'm saying? See eba na se masa ye bibia for side den one we pull it down because I you issue ha issue to nyina dodo na afa anadwo no aba no aba besi daytime ye hu obia you must be warned. What in a make no? You saw it all. Under Section 79 of the Local Government Act 1993, Act 462, every household, every owner, indeed occupants of premises, shall connect to the linkage of waste except sewage to the main drains wherever available. Indeed, lack of capacities of critical convent or drains and insufficient stream channels capacity and also obstruction of flood by building across natural floods channels and the deposition of rubbish or garbage into the main drains. These are factors that actually contribute to flooding within our cities. Dear friends, to avoid a confrontation with city authorities, it is important for you as a builder to go through the necessary procedure by adhering to all the rules and regulations governing building permits. It is our collective responsibility as government and as citizens to ensure that never again would we allow flood to engulf our cities due to our own negligence. Structures must be put in place, laws must be enforced, and citizens must be responsible. Chale akatiza song katimbango kadenon taxe dama subia non tete tene yam male tetangbango ya kamata muduka mukwara de saktangwamu ko wani lokaci mu ni zamu yi ko bai yi ba mu si amma ahotie anase ye nimra so se na ese na se ye besi dan se bebiara na ye si dan esia ye atumwura gu bebia nsuyiri ye atu yen besa atu ye bi mu ano ka wo ha ni fale fe mo ya hia wo ni dane bini won chin won hwe hefe ni wo fe gota amachu gota be alo agba gota fon he eke a chinu ahwe fe wo ka dwan wo gota mi tun won male basa keke nekeno e ba bale o ba kwa fai nye ha ni fale fe mo ya hia wo bona fe ni wo denje onye wo kura wo keje hilai ke na agba bibi ni ba